Everyone's talking about dropshipping, affiliate marketing, and print on demand. And look, those can work. I've talked about them myself. But the truth is, a lot of those markets are getting pretty saturated, especially if you're just starting out. You're competing with thousands, maybe tens of thousands of people doing the exact same thing, running the same ads, targeting the same customers. But what if I told you there are business ideas in Europe that are still untapped, with low competition and €0 to start? I'm serious, absolutely €0 to get these off the ground. We're going to break down 5 specific online business ideas for 2025 that you've probably never heard of, or at least haven't considered in this specific way. Let's dive into 5 online business ideas for 2025 you've probably never heard of. Let's talk about Notion templates. Notion is a versatile productivity app that's exploded in popularity. People use it for project management, journaling, habit tracking, and more. A huge part of its appeal is customizable templates. Most Notion templates are in English, leaving a massive, underserved market across Europe. Millions of Notion users in Germany, France, Spain, Italy, and more prefer templates in their native language. Create high-demand Notion templates localized for these European markets. Imagine a budget template for German tax deductions or a project planner with French business terminology. You don't need to be a coding genius or a professional designer to do this. Notion is intuitive, and you can use free tools like Canva for design. Your main investment is your time in learning what makes a good template and understanding the needs of your target language market. Platforms like Gumroad and Etsy are fantastic for selling these templates. Gumroad is simple for selling digital products, and Etsy has a huge market for digital downloads. You could even build a simple website using a free builder like Card or WordPress. The potential here is genuinely huge. Some people are making thousands of euros a month selling Notion templates in English. Now imagine tapping into a less competitive language-specific niche. Start by creating templates in your native language, or if you're multilingual, expand to other languages. The startup cost is effectively €0 if you already have a computer and internet access. This is a business model that rewards creativity, attention to detail, and understanding specific user needs. Next up, let's talk about a service-based business that taps into a very real and pressing need across Europe. CV writing for migrants and skilled workers moving into new European job markets. Every year, millions of talented individuals relocate to various European countries seeking better opportunities. They have the qualifications and experience, but often hit a massive roadblock: the CV. CV and cover letter standards vary significantly from country to country. A CV format that's acceptable in one country might look unprofessional in another. If you understand how specific EU job markets operate, you can provide an incredibly valuable service. You can help newcomers tailor their CVs and cover letters to meet local employer expectations. You could charge anywhere from €20 for a basic CV review to €100 or more for a full rewrite. LinkedIn is an absolute goldmine for finding clients. Engage with posts, offer helpful advice in relevant groups, and position yourself as someone who understands the local job market. Freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr can also be a good starting point. This business is built on empathy and genuine assistance, helping someone navigate a challenging transition and achieve their professional goals in a new country. Chapter 3. Idea number 3. Go viral anonymously with AI-powered YouTube Shorts. Let's shift gears to content creation, specifically YouTube Shorts, but with a twist: faceless, AI-assisted content. The organic reach can be absolutely insane, and you don't need to show your face or even use your own voice. Create engaging, bite-sized video content using AI tools. Think about channels that share interesting business facts, quick country comparisons, language learning hacks, historical tidbits, or motivational quotes. These types of content are highly shareable and perfect for short-form video platforms. Use tools like ChatGPT to generate ideas and scripts. For voiceover, AI voice generation tools like 11 Labs can create realistic voices in various languages. For visuals and editing, tools like CapCut or Canva can be used. The key is to make it visually clear, fast-paced, and to the point. Aim to post daily or multiple times a day. The YouTube algorithm often rewards consistent output, especially in the Shorts feed. Monetize through the YouTube Partner Program, affiliate marketing, or promoting your own digital products. The low barrier to entry and potential for scalability make this approach attractive. Experiment with different niches and content styles. The AI tools handle a lot of the heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on strategy and consistency. Pick a niche you're interested in or see a gap in the market for. Research successful faceless shorts channels to see what works. Experiment with AI tools for script ideas, voice generation, and video editing. Start, learn, and iterate. Chapter 4 idea number 4, the Etsy goldmine you're ignoring, local language printables. Let's talk about localized printables on Etsy. People are on Etsy every day buying digital downloadable products. We're talking about printable planners, kids' worksheets, wedding invitation suites, party decorations, wall art, budget trackers, habit trackers, and more. An overwhelming majority of these printables are in English, designed primarily for the US, UK, Canadian, and Australian markets. This creates a fantastic, relatively untapped opportunity for anyone who can create printables in other European languages. Think about it. A parent in Germany looking for educational worksheets for their child would prefer them in German. Someone in Sweden planning a wedding would want their invitations in Swedish. A student in Poland would find a Polish language study planner far more useful. This isn't just about translating existing English designs, it's about creating culturally relevant and linguistically accurate printables for specific European audiences. You can design these using tools like Canva. Once you've designed your printable, list it on Etsy as a digital download. The customer purchases it and Etsy automatically delivers the file to them. You create it once and you can sell it an infinite number of times. Gumroad is another excellent platform for selling digital printables. The key to success is niching down and understanding your target country's audience. Do some research on Etsy itself. Search for common printable terms and filter by location or add language-specific keywords. Consider seasonal trends and local holidays too. This is a business model that combines creativity with smart market observation. Chapter 5, idea number 5, teach one thing, make bank, the power of micro courses. Let's talk about online education, but not in the way you might be thinking. Forget about creating a massive, all-encompassing flagship course. There's a growing demand for something much smaller and more focused online micro courses. These are short, targeted classes, often just 60 to 90 minutes long, that teach one very specific skill or solve one very specific problem. The beauty of a micro course is its simplicity and directness. Students are often overwhelmed by lengthy, expensive courses. They're looking for quick wins and actionable solutions. A micro course delivers exactly that. Instead of the ultimate guide to digital marketing, create something like how to write a cover letter that gets interviews at German tech companies. Think about the specific pain points and skill gaps within particular European markets or professions. Recording these micro courses is straightforward. Tools like Loom or Zoom are perfectly adequate. Create simple slides in Canva or Google Slides. Record your screen and voice, and that's your course. Platforms like PayHip and Gumroad are ideal for selling micro courses. They make it easy to upload your video content, set a price, and handle payment processing and content delivery. The €0 to start aspect is huge here. Your main investment is the time it takes to plan, record, and lightly edit your micro course. Release your first micro course, get feedback, and use that to improve it or get ideas for your next micro course. This is a much faster way to get a product to market and start generating revenue. Your turn, pick one, start small, win big in Europe. So there you have it, 5 genuinely untapped online business ideas for Europe in 2025. These ideas are small, simple, but real. We're talking about identifying specific needs in specific European markets and using accessible, often free tools to meet those needs. Whether it's creating Notion templates in Dutch, helping newcomers craft the perfect German CV, launching an AI-powered faceless YouTube channel targeting French speakers, designing Polish printables for Etsy, or teaching a micro course on navigating Italian bureaucracy for freelancers, the opportunities are there. You don't need thousands of followers or big investments to get started. Forget the idea that you need a massive marketing budget or a pre-existing huge email list. Pick one of these ideas that resonates with you, that aligns with your interests or existing knowledge, and just begin. Don't overthink it into paralysis. Take that first small step today. Subscribe to Founder's Edge for more powerful business ideas built for modern Europe, because we're all about finding those clever, low-competition angles to help you succeed.